So a promoter is interested in booking you. They ask you for your press kit and you send them a Google Drive link with 3 random photos and a Word document you made in 2019. And that's your booking gone. Now I've seen this happen more times than I can count. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a DJ press kit needs in 2026 and how to build one that actually gets you booked. Now let's start with what a press kit actually is and what it isn't, more importantly. So it isn't a CV, it isn't a portfolio, and it isn't a folder of your best photos. A press kit is a sales document. It's one job to answer every question a promoter has before they've even picked up the phone. So who are you? What do you play? Where have you played? And how do we book you? If your press kit makes them work for any of those answers, then they're gone. So remember, the promoter needs all of the tools that they need to be able to create their flyers with you on it. And this is where you're going to help them. So let me walk you through each element live. And there's 6 key things that every single press kit needs in 2026. So let's go over those now. Number 1 is your artist bio, not your life story. 3 paragraphs maximum, who you are, what you play, where you've played. Lead with the biggest credibility point you have. So if you've played at Fabric or Ibiza or a festival, that goes in line 1, not buried right down the bottom. Okay, number 2, your mix. Again, 1 link, not a Soundcloud with 40 uploads. 1 mix that represents exactly what you do, your best work. And the sound a promoter will hear on the night, that's what you need to do. If they have to hunt for it, then you're already lost. If you can send a YouTube video so they can see you, even better. Number 3, your photos. Now, a minimum of 3, around no more than 10. One of you in a booth or a live gig, crowd shots if possible. 1 clean press shot, well lit, professional, one that shows your personality. And I mean actually professional, not a selfie in a hotel mirror. Number 4, your rider. Keep it simple. Technical requirements, what equipment you need, what you want and what you don't need. A 1-page PDF. Promoters love a DJ who knows exactly what they need because it saves them a headache. Number 5, your previous bookings. So not a list of every single pub that you've played since 2008, just the highlights, the venues and the events that carry weight in your genre. If you've played anything that they've recognized, then name it. Number 6, your booking contact. 1 email address, 1 phone number, if you're comfortable with that, and a clear statement of your availability. So DJs who are hard to contact don't get booked. It's as simple as that. Now, I've worked with some of the biggest DJs in the world as artist accreditation manager with Clockwork Orange previously, and I've seen a lot of press kits, and a lot of them are this kind of old style with PDFs of images and stuff, and it's just all over the place. This is definitely the way you should be doing it in 2026. Now, where do you actually build this thing? Now, not Google Drive, not a Word document, and not a PDF attached to an email that nobody can find 2 weeks later. The tool I recommend to every DJ I work with is Mavelpoint. Now, it's built specifically for DJs and music artists. It's free to start. You don't need a designer, you don't need a developer, and you don't need to spend a weekend figuring it out either. All you need to do is to add your bio, your photos, your mix, your booking info, and it gives you 1 clean URL that you can drop into a DM or an email in 5 seconds. Now that's the goal. 1 simple link that you send to the promoter who clicks it, and they've got everything they need to be able to book you. No friction, no hunting around, no Google Drive folder with 6 different versions of the same photo. It's really easy to use. So let me show you this. So this is where you log in and create your account in the top right-hand corner. Again, this is free to do. Let me just jump over to mine to show you what this actually looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the link that you'll send to promoters or anybody else that wants access to this. And this is pretty much what it looks like. So let's start at the top and work our way down. So obviously you have your name at the top, and then here are all the links to all of your socials and your music platforms as well. So things like Instagram, your website, Shazam, Apple Music, YouTube, everything else. You get this header picture as well here, and your main profile picture as well at the top. Then we've got this section, which is overview. So this is the About Me section, which includes where you are, where you're based. You can put in this BPM as well of the kind of BPMs that you play, the different timings, the genres that you play, and your biography as well, you can see there. Then to the right of this is a video section where you can have certain videos highlighted. This is one of me DJing on YouTube, so people can go and actually see me DJing, which is really important. Then these other buttons here, we've got one for the gallery. So we click on this. This gives you access to the photos, and these are all available to download. So the client will click on here. They can choose which press shot it is that they want to choose, and then they just click on this arrow to download the image as well. So basically what you're providing here is everything that they would need to be able to use promotion material to be able to book you for a gig. Then on the events tab, this shows all the latest gigs that you've got coming up. So you can see mine in the UK and Ibiza. Let's just go back to this other view quickly. Then we go down again to this section here, which is all of your music. So this is, if you're a producer as well as a DJ, this is where all your music will be stored. And again, anybody can go and listen to all of this. There's your gigs highlighted as well. There's the gallery. And then this is quite cool as well, the tech rider at the bottom. So it gives the promoter an idea of the kind of equipment that they're going to need to get you if they want to book you for a gig. So you can see how cool that is. One link that you just send to people and they've got access to everything. One more thing before you go and build this. Your press kit is only as strong as the brand behind it. If your Instagram doesn't match your press kit, if the profile looks amateur but the kit looks professional, then promoters will notice that gap. Or if the kit looks great but your social media is a mess of random posts and no clear identity, they're going to trust what they see on your socials more than what you sent them. So the press kit and the profile need to tell the same story, same sound, same positioning, same level of professionalism. That's what I mean by building a brand that gets you booked, not just a DJ who plays music. Think of yourself as a brand. So there it is. 6 things every DJ press kit needs in 2026. Your bio, your mix, your photos, your rider, your booking history, and your contact details. One URL, no friction. Okay, one more thing as well I need to point out about this incredible site is they also have something called Mavelpoint, which basically allows you to put multiple links into a link as well. You can also have this, like you could have this in your Instagram feed or in your Facebook page, something like that, where you've got multiple links that you can send to people. A lot of people use Linktree and SocialTap as well, but this is really cool. Nice little feature that. If you want the full system for building a profile and a brand that works like a booking engine, not just the press kit, but the whole strategy, then I've put together a free guide called the SET Formula. 3 steps: story, execution, transaction. Comment the word SET below and I'll send it straight to your DMs for free, no catch. If not, there's a link below this video as well. Thanks for watching this. I'd love to see your press kit when you finished it, so please do send me a DM. I'd love to see it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.